Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and an unboxing of Lindbergh's 1936 Ford Roadster. This was sent to me by Ellis again. He's awesome. He's keeping me busy, I'll tell you, and I'm tickled with it because it's really getting me to where I'm doing stuff that I normally wouldn't do, and I'm really falling in love with it. But let me cut this open right now. Check it out. I don't know how old this kit is. It's been around a while, I'm sure. It was given to him, and he's not going to do it, so he wanted me to do it. This is a smaller scale. This is a 1/32 scale kit. It's a skill level 2. I am not sure what to expect. I don't remember this kit. So I'm excited to open this up. Oh, it folds open. Look at that. Man, I remember those. And here we got a bag of styrene. We have glass, not too bad either. And we have directions. So I'm going to move the box over here out of the way. I just bulldozed all the crew out over. And I'm going to put the glass right back in there. We'll go over it real quick. I've got the rear window, the front window with winglets, and headlights. And I'll tell you what, those headlights look great too. I haven't done a 1/32 scale since I did my Gamma Goat kit. So I'm kind of looking forward to getting back into it. And I'll tell you what, this might look good with that sitting next to the Gamma Goat. We'll see. So here's the directions for the Lindberg. They were really simple to follow and go along. I was kind of looking for a copyright. Copyright 2006 on this one. So there we go. Let's open this bag up. Maybe. There we go. What I didn't notice in the box were rubber tires. So you know what that means. That means we'll have split tires on it. And we'll have to do some masking and painting. Alright. Nothing's left in the bag. But you know what? I am going to put the bag back in the box. Slide all this forward. And we'll start right here with the body. Man, I'll tell you. Good mold lines on this. Really nice. The seats are deep pleated. Pads on them. The hood is nice. It's got the louvers on it. Not opening, obviously. It's a street side car or a curbside kit. But really nice. This is going to be fun. One piece drop on. We'll go to the next right off the bat. And that's your, look at there. Your chassis. Chassis's got the bumper brackets put right on there. Very sharp. Nice detail on the rubber for the fenders. Underneath, wood grain on the bottom. Finally, I get one with wood grain underneath it. I just yesterday learned how to do wood grain the right way. So check that out. If you aren't a member of Grandpa Mark's Hobbies on Facebook, jump over there, and there's a video that was posted yesterday that I finally got wood grain figured out. It's only like a 5-minute video too. I don't know if I'll be able to put a link on here, but I'll try. But if not, jump over to my YouTube or my Facebook page and check it out there. But wood grain underneath the drive shaft and rear end, our gas tank, 1, 2 ejection pin marks that are really bad, and the rest of them are going to be easy to get to. Nice representation of the bottom of the engine there, so we'll be able to paint that. Our exhaust coming down, All this, I love doing detail paint too. You guys all know that. And that's all this is with these kits where they're all put together like that is detail paint. Look at that. I think that's the bottom of the battery. Not sure. Probably wrong. But there we go. And then the Lindberg emblem is on the side here. Geez, I hope you can see that. I'm going to save that. I might actually do that like a plaque so that it'd be a placard underneath there. But there is the body and the chassis. Like I said, plastic wheels or plastic tires. I think this is our spare. And that's all it is. I mean, a lot of the military kits are like that. Look at that's really brittle. But a lot of the military kits are like that, where you just glue the two sides together, you give it a good sand around everything, you paint it the rubber black, and then you work on the inside. And what I usually do is I'll do the inside and work my way from the inside out, to be honest with you. Jeepers. I don't have my visor on. That might say Ford on there. It sure might. We'll find that out. So I'll probably do those. I'll spray all these with my chrome silver, and then we'll work our way. Like I said, we'll work our way with the black on the bottom. I'll do everything with the black, and then I'll come out with the chrome, and then rubber black here, and we'll go with that. So there's the tires, and here is everything else. We got our firewall with pedals. Nice. There's 2 ejection pin marks in there, but there's also texturing, like rubber floor mat texturing in there. Oh man, I think if I try to take those pin marks out, I'll take them down as far as I can, but I sure don't want to mess that up, just because I want everybody to see that was molded in there. So there's that. Here's our suspension. The V for the back. Bumper. Stick shift. Our steering column. Steering wheel. Not a clue what that is. We'll figure that out. Our headlights. And our convertible roof that's got nice texturing on that. I am very impressed with this little Lindberg kit. Plastic rim, or plastic axles. There's even a windshield wiper molded in here with the chrome detail in here. You'll be able to see that a lot better once it's painted. But it really shows up. I can kind of see it flashing in the light. So everything's here. I mean, it doesn't have an engine, but God, that small. I'm kind of happy it doesn't. So there we go with the unboxing of the Lindberg 36 Ford Roadster. Like I said, it's a level 2. You're not going to expect a whole lot. I like that purple color on this. I know I don't do the accolades for the chrome, but I might try something with maybe the Molotov pen and see if I can't get that chrome on there. But we'll build this up. It'll be this would be a neat weekend warrior project. You know, you got like a 3-day or 4-day or whatever in the winter when it's snowing, and you just don't want to be bothered with anything. This would be a perfect kit for that. And I am telling you, there is very good detail in this. So once again, Ellis, thank you very much. This is going to get built, and this is going to get built. Like you said, I'll build it right. So there we go. Y'all have a great day, and thank you for watching.